Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today is the day to make the best marinara sauce ever. This one has 3 kinds of tomatoes, so naturally sweet and flavorful. You are gonna love how easy it is. Let's get started. For this recipe, I'm gonna start by heating some extra virgin olive oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons. You're gonna add some finely chopped sweet onions, about 1 cup. I'm gonna let it sweat for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. I want it to become almost golden in color. Meanwhile, I'm gonna use 3 of my favorite tomatoes. In the blender, I'm gonna throw 1 pound of San Marzano tomatoes. This tomato tends to be so sweet naturally. I'm gonna add 10 ounces of cherry tomatoes. This one tastes great as well. And the third one would be 1 pound of Campari tomato. So I tried to choose 3 of my favorite tomatoes. They taste great on their own. I blend until smooth, set aside. I'm making this special tomato sauce, but normally I would use Roma tomatoes when they're in season. Just make sure to throw them in some boiling water for a minute to remove the skin easily. It's very important to remove the skin. It tends to be thick in Roma tomatoes. 15 minutes have passed. I added a bunch of mashed garlic, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and just 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I rub them between my fingers to release the oils. Let them cook with the onions just for a minute. And now I add the tomato puree and mix well. You're gonna adjust the seasoning, add a little bit of salt, black pepper, mix well, and let the whole thing simmer uncovered for 45 to 1 hour. You can add fresh basil or you can leave it out. Leave it for 45 to 1 hour and you're gonna end up with the most amazing, sweet, flavorful marinara sauce. You can use right away with so many dishes, pasta, eggplant, you name it. Or you can freeze for later use. This sauce freezes beautifully. The easiest way to do it is place in Ziploc bags, flat, in the freezer. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube yet, please do so. Follow me on social media as well. The links are going to be in the description box below. For me, I had to try it right away with lots of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. It was simply amazing. And until next time, bon appétit!